Well, it's a great day to decorate with pink. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. And on today's episode, I'm sharing with you my pretty in pink tablescape. So today, folks, I'm going to be designing with a little bit more of the layering techniques along with the floral designs as well. And for those of you that may be joining us for the first time, I'd like to display all of my items that I'm going to be using in that particular tablescape. And so what you're looking at now is those items that I will be using. And somehow when I prepared for this tablescape, I looked at the colors and I thought that they would all do pretty well together. However, the salad plates to me seemed to be a little off, but I decided to go ahead and decorate with them anyway. And so the tablescape turned out beautifully, and I'm hoping that you will enjoy it also. So guys, I'm just going to allow the music to play, and I hope that you enjoy. So guys, as I prepare to place the candle holders in the candles, I realized that the candles did not fit snug in the hole of the candle holder. So what I had to do was I had to cut small pieces of tape to wrap around the bottom part of the candle. And what I'm using here is alien tape. It happens to be a two-way tape. Only needed the one side to stick though. However, I used a small piece and then I cut it in half so that it would not show above the rim of the candle holder. And so I just placed the tape on top of the bottom part of the candle, wrapped it around very snugly, and was able to put it into the candle holder without it moving. I think that this tape is excellent. So I recommend it. Alien tape. I'll have it listed below if I can find it, if I can find the link. So guys, this is all I have for you on today. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. And again, if this happens to be your first time here and you haven't subscribed yet, I suggest that you do so. I upload a Tablescape every week, every Tuesday, Tablescape Tuesday. And I enjoy creating these Tablescapes every week. So guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel a great deal. And I would love to hear your comments on today. And thank you to my faithful few that join me every week. I really, really appreciate you. All right, guys, have a great week. And until next time, God bless.